Yes, this is he. Oh, hi, Mr. Lewis. How are you? Yes, I'm still interested in the position. Sure, yeah. Today? Yeah, I can start today. Sure. Uh-huh. Typing? Typing? I didn't see anything about typing on the thing. Oh, sure, I'm a great typist. I'm fast like anything. Uh-huh. Oh, yes. Thank you. Uh-huh. Yeah, I'll come down and show you. Okay. I'll be there. Bye. Typing? Oh man, I don't know typing. How hard can it be? How hard can it be? Okay. That's for you, Jaci. The Stooge 52. Go to her channel, check it out, and subscribe. And Mr. Lewis, Jerry, you're the man.